Hey YouTubers, welcome to another episode of crowdfunding projects. This time we have something from BANALE. It is a Kickstarter project, and what BANALE is a travel pillow. I do some traveling every so often, so I decided to try this Kickstarter project out. They not only make pillows, but they make other stuff like backpacks and other stuff on their websites. You can order some of their websites right now, I believe, and I'm not sure if they're shipping or they're just pre-ordering, but they started shipping out most of the Kickstarter supporters already. I just recently got mine. Let's go ahead and start. Yeah, this is the box that it came in, and it has their website, banale.com. It was overseas, so it took a while. As you know, I have my trusty red knife again. I've been using in most of my videos. And this is what it came in. As you can see here, it says BANALE Omni Pillow. This is the Oceano, which is the blue one I ordered. Let's see how it looks. See, it's just your typical box, nothing special about it. It's in a plastic bag. There is a thank you note in here, and if anybody wants to get that thank you for the thank you code, I think this code you can use as many times as you want, but you can get 20% off at banale.com. And as you can see here, the pillow, which is the Omni Pillow, it's actually this size right there. As you can see, you can clip onto your backpack and everything. It's a 3-in-1 pillow. So here it is. You see here, banale.com. It's a 3-in-1 pillow, and this is how you would. This is a little clip right here. So you attach it to your backpack or your side or your luggage or something. As you see, it comes in a compact. It's supposed to be foamy stuff for you to use your head. So let's open it up and see what happens. Okay, here you go. Let's open this up. First you open up here, and as you can see, the blue. They have different colors like black and gray. So I decided to get the blue one. So as you can see, I opened it up. Pretty soft. This is like the memory pillow stuff, memory pillow materials. Pretty soft. And I think the first pillow is the topper pillow. And in order to do that, you have to. Oh no, the first one is the neck pillow. So all you would need to do is just put this. You can tighten it around your neck right here. Put your neck in here. It's really soft, very soft. The material is very nice. Then you put your phone in here or something, and have a place to hold your phone. So the next one is, it's called the topper pillow, and I think you can put on top of another pillow at the hotel or something. So you would open it up like this. Open it up like this, and there you have it. Nice soft pillow to put on top of the pillow or put on top of the plane. Now the next one is a double pillow, and this one you can also put on top of a pillow, put on top of a plane, or you can put your arm through here like this and use it and sleep on your arm. So would do this, I believe. And over here. Put this over here. Here you have it, a double pillow to be used on the plane. I picked blue because if it gets dirty, I can see it and then I can wash it. And I think if I picked a dark color, I wouldn't be able to see it that much. And if it got dirty, I wouldn't care. But I believe you can stick your arm in here and use this pillow to sleep on your arm. So there you go. See here. And in order to convert it back to your regular, I believe, pull these straps back here. Pull these straps back here. And we're going to fold this. Oh, oh. You would fold this right here because you have to grip this part right here. Grip this part right here. Pull it through. Because that's the original outside right here. This part right here. You would just pull it through this. So you have the neck pillow clip exposed. And you would do the same on this side. Neck pillow clip exposed. This is from when you were in stage 1. What you do is you would fold this like this. Fold this like this. You would bring this around. Since it's memory foam, it compresses pretty easily. As you can see, we're back almost to square one. And one more pull over. And there you have it. To square one. I have a trip coming up, so I can't wait to test this. It's really, really soft, so I would really recommend it. Leave a comment. Please subscribe. As more projects are trickling in, I'll be sure to post them. Alright, new tubers, have a nice day.